Welcome back to Midday Kentucky. All right, we all want to look our best, but sometimes we just have that stubborn fat that won't go away. So when that happens, it's sometimes necessary to get that little extra help. Luckily for everyone who's interested in that, Allison from Bluegrass Medical Aesthetics is here to talk about something called CoolSculpting.
Very exciting.
Yeah, and it's actually very, very fitting with it being very cool outside today.
It is. It's a cool day for CoolSculpting.
Thank you so much for being here. We always appreciate.
Yes.
Let's talk about CoolSculpting. It's kind of a buzzword that everybody's grabbing onto, but maybe not everyone understands exactly what it does.
Yes. If you can pinch it, we can freeze it. So that's a big, exciting term to use. But what CoolSculpting does is it does freeze the fat for permanent results. So we want those permanent results, of course.
So it's completely, so let's just like go through the process, because I know you are top of the line in the newest technology in this CoolSculpting. So you say you have an area, and we're showing some pictures now. A lot of people, their belly.
Yeah, that is probably the #1 target, because you can do all the workouts in the world to target that area, but sometimes we just have that stubborn abdominal fat. And it really works wonders with the CoolSculpting. It reduces it by 25%. So you're seeing a lot of reduction. You know, the inner thighs and outer thighs are a big mark. Also, the arms and under the chin are really a popular place to do this as well. So you see a lot of reduction and great results and really little to no downtime.
Wow, and this is permanent. So take us through the process. What's going on right here? You go in, lay down.
Yeah, so you go in and lay down. We really have to do an assessment on everyone because we want everyone to be sculpted properly. So, because you want that either hourglass figure like for women, or you want that more of a V shape for men. But we just kind of assess you so we can get you the best price possible, as well as what you're going to see result-wise.
Now, is this a one-time process and the fat's gone, or do you have to do it over increments?
Really, most people need 2 treatments, maybe 1 and done. So we just have to kind of assess each individual to make sure that you're getting that result, and we can give you a realistic expectation.
That's amazing, though, especially being that it's invasive or it's non-invasive. You're not having to get lipo, which can be dangerous. I know you have some new things going on at BMA. What makes it different getting CoolSculpting there than anywhere else?
What really sets us apart is we are a dual CoolSculpting clinic, which is really exciting because every time you put what you just saw as one of those little vacuums on an area, that either takes about 35 minutes to 75 minutes per applicator.
Wow.
So when you're a dual CoolSculpting clinic, we can do such as both arms at the same time. Yes, so it takes off a lot of time because we're all busy.
Yes.
You know, we want to be done and over with, or we can do kind of different areas at once if we're doing more of the full body.
Which is so effective.
So it takes a lot of time off.
Well, let's talk about the actual procedure. Does it hurt at all?
So it used to actually be a little bit painful back in the day, but now the applicators, they have redone. So on a scale of 1 to 10, they say it's about a 1 or a 2 on the pain scale.
Okay, this sounds amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty incredible. You know, you might feel a little tingling sensation afterward because it's really cold. But it's really comfortable. Most of our patients just fall asleep watching Netflix. So yes, that's an under the chin, and that is 12 weeks after, which is really your peak to see those results.
That's amazing that it happens that impressively without going in and actually cutting anything.
We have had recently some of our employees have the chin done, and I mean, that was our biggest seller probably at our last event because of those results and being able to show and see it in person.
They're that impressive.
It makes such a huge difference in the chin, where you wouldn't think to see that on some of the people we've done, but it just looks so good and contoured.
It makes so much sense.
Takes years off.
After seeing this, we want everyone to go into your clinic and see these results. You're offering a promotion right now.
Yes, so we are doing 15% 10% off CoolSculpting starting February 4th. And then during February, you could get up to a $500 rebate on your treatment. And if you're new to Botox, you get 20 free units of Botox through Brilliant Distinctions with us.
So you just have a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah,
Now
so
is the time to come see Allison.
Face and body and just look good before the spring hits us, spring
We're still
break.
in January.
Yes.
New you, new year.
Yes,
All
yes.
right.